Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 taskbar if it is missing or has disappeared. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. If the Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details at the bottom. In the Processes tab, scroll down until you find Windows Explorer. Right-click on it and select Restart. Your screen may briefly flash, which is normal. Once Windows Explorer restarts, check if the taskbar has returned. If the taskbar is still missing, the next step is to check your taskbar settings. Press the Windows key and I to open Settings. From the left menu, click Personalization, then scroll down and select Taskbar. Expand the Taskbar Behavior section and look for the option called Automatically Hide the Taskbar. Make sure this option is unchecked. If it is enabled, disable it and see if the taskbar appears again. If the problem continues, corrupted system files may be causing the issue. Open Task Manager again by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. Click Run New Task, type CMD, and check the box that says Create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK to open Command Prompt as an administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. This process may take several minutes depending on your system. Once the scan finishes, restart your computer. After your PC restarts, check if the taskbar is back and working normally. Thanks for watching.